Hi, I'm Julia, and I'm proud to present Villa Siena in Bel Air, the most insane mega mansion ever. $177 million, Villa Siena is the latest masterpiece by visionary Ardie Tavangarian of Arya Group. This approximative 35,000 square feet estate truly has it all, including a primary suite with a retractable roof that opens for stargazing. An outdoor sauna pod has a glass wall for admiring views of a nearby golf course. Other amenities include a spa, a screening room, a bar, and an auto gallery with space for 6 cars. The home's design was inspired by nature and incorporates elements of fire and water, Tavangarian said. Inside, a 4-story bronze-finished staircase is suspended from the ceiling to give it the appearance of floating. There is a reflecting pool at the base of the staircase, and 30-foot pivot doors lead to the outside. A wine room is accessed through 200-year-old antique Moroccan doors. The exterior is clad entirely in natural materials like teak and stone. Designed to feel like it's in the jungle, the spa has lush plantings on the ceiling and LED screens playing videos of tropical birds. The spa has hot and cold plunge pools and a hydrotherapy chamber. Thanks to each and every one of you for watching this video. Thanks to all who bought me a coffee through the link in the description box. Please comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. All suggestions are welcome. Until the next video, have a blessed day.